Hi guys, today is my first day of vacation and I decided to go for a walk in the forest. So if you want to see Norwegian forest during the winter, stay connected, keep watching this video till the end and hit the like button. Write below your comments and please enjoy the forest in Norway during the winter time. So I hope you enjoyed it. It was a little extra from me and see you soon. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button and write your comments. See you in the next vlog. Bye!